How to create a monthly budget that actually works. Simple and effective steps for 2025. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the most important steps to taking control of your finances. Creating a monthly budget that actually works. Whether you're saving for something big, paying off debt, or just trying to get your finances in order, having a budget is key. In this video, I'll walk you through simple, practical steps to start budgeting like a pro in 2025. Make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why budgeting matters. Imagine you have a goal. Maybe you want to save up for a vacation or pay off that credit card debt. Without a budget, you could be overspending on non-essentials and end up nowhere near your goal. A good budget helps you track where your money is going and ensures that you're living within your means. By knowing exactly where your money is going each month, you can prioritize the things that matter most to you, whether it's saving, investing, or paying off debt. Step 2 is to know your income. This is the foundation of your budget. You can't create a budget without knowing how much money's coming in. Make sure you account for all of your income sources, your job, side hustles, investments, or passive income streams. If you're self-employed or freelance, it's important to have an average monthly income figure, as it may fluctuate. Tracking your expenses is the heart of your budget, and this is where a lot of people mess up. You need to know exactly how much you're spending and where. I recommend using a budgeting app or even just a good old spreadsheet to keep track. If you're not sure where to start, track your spending for 1 or 2 months to get an idea of your habits. Here's a simple breakdown of expenses to track. Fixed expenses: rent, utilities, subscriptions, loans. Variable expenses: groceries, gas, entertainment. Discretionary spending: dining out, online shopping, hobbies. Don't forget to include irregular or seasonal expenses like insurance premiums or yearly memberships. Now let's talk about the 50-30-20 rule, one of the easiest and most effective ways to divide your money. Here's how it works. 50% to needs. This includes essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% to wants. These are things you enjoy but don't need, like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. 20% to savings or debt repayment. This is the part of your income that should go toward building your emergency fund, contributing to retirement, or paying off any outstanding debt. Using this rule ensures that you're covering your essentials first, but also allocating money to enjoy life and work toward financial goals. Now, while the 50-30-20 rule is great, your budget isn't set in stone. You can adjust it based on your goals. If you're paying off debt, you might allocate more to debt repayment than to wants. Or if saving for a house, you might dedicate more to savings. Budgeting is all about prioritizing and optimizing your spending based on what matters most to you. Let's say you've realized that your wants category is a bit too high. Maybe you're spending a lot on takeout or subscription services. Try cutting back on some of these non-essentials and put that money toward debt or savings. Monitor and review your budget regularly. Don't just set it and forget it. At the end of each month, review your spending. Did you stick to your budget? Are there areas where you can improve? Regular reviews help you stay on track and make adjustments if needed. One final tip to help make your budget even easier is to automate. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account, investment accounts, or even credit card payments. Automation helps you stick to your budget without thinking about it. To recap, creating a budget that actually works is all about knowing your income, tracking your expenses, and allocating your money to needs, wants, and savings. The 50-30-20 rule is a great place to start, but don't be afraid to tweak it to fit your goals. The most important thing is to start and keep reviewing your progress. The sooner you start budgeting, the sooner you'll be on your way to achieving financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on personal finance and money management. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest financial goal for 2025? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.